this lesson, we will see ceil, which stands for ceiling, and floor functions. The ceil function returns the smallest integer, represented as a floating point value, not less than the given value. For example, if you gave 1.05, the ceil function would return 2.0. Similarly, if you gave minus 1.05, ceil would return minus 1. Take a look at this syntax. The ceil function returns the nearest integer of given value. I hope you're now clear on the meaning of the ceil function. Now let's discuss the floor function. The floor function returns the largest integer represented as a floating point value, not greater than the given value. For example, if you put in 2.05, the floor function would return 2.0. Likewise, if you give minus 2.90, the floor will return minus 3.0. Here's the syntax of the floor function. Here, the floor function takes an argument which will return the smallest integer of num. For your better understanding, take a look at this sample code. In this sample code, we declared two double-type variables, namely a and s. Following, we input values to the variables respectively. In the last two printf statements, we used the ceil and floor functions for a and s variables. In the same lines, we used %lf format specifier, which refers the double data type values. Let's run the code. Press Alt F9 to compile the code. When it's completed, click on OK. Now press Ctrl F9 to run the code. In the output window, we need to input two values for ceil and floor functions. When you're done, press the Enter key. Look at this output. Now, you're familiar with ceil and floor functions.